Hello, students and parents. Welcome to Summer Session 2020. In this short tutorial, I will explain how students should properly fill out a daily learning log, also known as the DLL. Please note, there are two formats for the DLL. The first format we will review is the fillable PDF, which your teacher can email to you. To complete the PDF, you must first log into your email. Next, locate the DLL email from your teacher and click to open. Please download the DLL by clicking the download arrow on the attachment. In this window, choose Open with Adobe and click OK. The DLL will open in a new window. Using your mouse, click inside each area that must be completed. First, type your name on the student name line. Second, click the box for each day that you participated in at-home learning. Last, type your name on the student signature line. You have now filled out your DLL. Once all areas are filled out, you must save the DLL and email it back to your teacher. To save, click File, Save As, and name your document. It's always best practice to include your name when saving. Now, go back to your teacher's email and reply. Click the paper icon to attach your DLL and click Send. Your DLL has now been submitted. The second format that we will review is the Google Doc, which your teacher can assign to you in Google Classroom. To complete the Google Doc, you must log into your Google Classroom. Open your Classroom and click the Classwork tab. Find your assignment and click View Assignment. Click the DLL attachment and a new Internet tab will open. Using the mouse, click inside each orange area. First, type your name on the student name line. Second, click the box for each day that you participated in at-home learning. You may need to use the scroll bar to see all of the boxes. Last, type your name on the student signature line. You have now filled out your DLL. Your DLL will automatically save, so after completing all sections, close the Internet tab. In your Google Classroom, click on Turn In. Click Turn In again. And now your DLL has been submitted. Parents, you can complete the PDF and Google Classroom DLLs for your student. If you choose to do so, you must type your name next to theirs on the student name line. As an example, in addition, you must type your name next to theirs on the student signature line. Please remember, at-home learning is all-encompassing and can include things such as reading, researching, physical activity for PE, completing at-home-based projects, etc. It is not limited to being logged into your online class. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Have a happy and safe summer.